Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to host a link using cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with managing your account. So if you don't already have an account, you can just go ahead and register for a new one, and if you already have an account, you can go ahead and just log in, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page, and now we can get started with accessing our dashboard. So once you have set up your cPanel dashboard, this is how it's going to look like. Once you open it up, you'll have all your info for managing your hosting, such as your file manager, you'll have your databases right here and so on, and now we can get started. So guys, as you can see right here in the official cpanel.net website, we have an article showing us how to use the linked nodes. This is going to go ahead and enable us to manage our links as we want. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and get started. So basically here it gives you a preview of how it all looks and how the nodes looks and how you can get started, what the restrictions are, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how cPanel accounts and linked nodes work. So basically the system creates two versions of the account, one on the parent node and one on the child node. So if you want to use this guys, you can go ahead and follow the steps right here. You want to make an existing account, add distributed account. Using the steps right here, you can modify your account in the interface section, and after that you can distribute accounts on the linked male child node, so you can go ahead and manage all the info that you need from here. Follow the steps in this article. That's going to enable you step by step to follow everything you need, how to get started with using the link nodes and how to manage your links and host your links with cPanel. It's going to go ahead and give you all the information right here, and you can get started in your dashboard. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.